In today's video, I'm going to teach you set up your base in Airtable for invoicing. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable structure that keeps clients, products, invoices, and line items organized, with totals calculated for you automatically. First, log into Airtable, click Create, and choose Start from Scratch. Give your new base a clear name so it's easy to find later. Call it Invoice Management System. This is the home for all your invoicing data, so a consistent name helps you recognize it at a glance. Now, let's build the tables your system needs. Start with a table named Clients. Add the fields you'll use to store contact details. Create a name field and set it to single line text for quick entry. Add an email field and set its type to email so Airtable validates it properly. Add an address field and set it to long text to accommodate multi-line details. Finally, add a contact number field and choose phone number so it's formatted and searchable. Using the correct field types keeps your data clean and prevents errors down the road. Next, create a table called Products Services. Add item name as a single line text field, description as long text for any notes or scope details, and price as a currency field. Be sure to set your preferred currency in decimal places. This ensures pricing stays consistent everywhere it's referenced. Create a third table named Invoices. Set up invoice nowhere as an auto number so each invoice gets a unique automatic identifier. Add a client field as a linked record and link it to the clients table. This connects each invoice to the right customer without duplicate typing. Add a date field and a due date field, both set to date, so you can filter and sort by timelines. Then add a status field as a single select with the options draft, sent, paid, and overdue. Clear statuses make follow-ups easy and reporting straightforward. Finally, create a table named Invoice Items. Add an invoice field as a linked record to the invoices table and a product service field linked to product services. Add quantity as a number and price as a currency matching the formatting you used earlier. Then add a total field and set the type to formula. Use the formula quantity, price. This multiplies the quantity by the unit price for a precise line total every time. With this structure in place, your base is ready for automatic invoice calculations and PDF generation. Keep your field names consistent, use linked records to avoid duplicates, and let the formula do the math for you. Save your base, and you're ready to manage invoicing with confidence.